The Kawasaki KMX125 is a lightweight dual-purpose motorcycle that has earned a loyal following among riders who appreciate versatility, simplicity, and a touch of retro charm. Originally produced during the late 1980s and 1990s, the KMX125 combines enduro styling with practical everyday usability, making it a popular choice for beginners, commuters, and off-road enthusiasts alike. One of the bike's standout features is its compact and nimble frame. The lightweight chassis makes it easy to handle, whether navigating tight city streets or weaving through forest trails. With a seat height that's comfortable for most riders, the KMX125 strikes a good balance between ground clearance for off-road use and stability for on-road riding. The heart of the KMX125 is its liquid-cooled single-cylinder two-stroke engine. While 125cc might sound modest, the engine delivers a surprisingly lively performance thanks to the powerband typical of two strokes. It offers enough punch for spirited rides while remaining manageable for less experienced riders. The 6-speed gearbox allows for smooth gear changes, and the bike's acceleration feels responsive without being overwhelming. Suspension and braking are tuned for mixed use. The long travel front forks and rear monoshock provide decent comfort over bumps and uneven terrain, making it capable in light off-road conditions. Braking is handled by a front disc and rear drum setup, which is adequate for its size and weight, though it may feel less sharp compared to modern standards. Design. The bike's frame is a lightweight steel perimeter design, providing durability while keeping overall weight manageable. This construction enhances maneuverability both on trails and in urban environments. The slim profile of the KMX125 is typical of enduro motorcycles, allowing riders to easily shift their body position when tackling rough terrain or tight corners. The long travel suspension, with telescopic forks at the front and a unitrack monoshock system at the rear, gives it impressive capability over bumps, ruts, and uneven surfaces, while still offering reasonable comfort for daily commuting. Visually, the KMX125 has a sporty and aggressive look, with sharp plastic fairings, a high-mounted front mudguard, and minimalistic bodywork that exposes much of the mechanical components. This design not only reduces weight, but also simplifies maintenance. The graphics and color schemes, often in Kawasaki's signature green, enhance its youthful, energetic appearance. The 21-inch front wheel and 18-inch rear wheel, paired with knobby tires, reinforce its off-road intentions, while the inclusion of mirrors, lighting, and indicators keeps it compliant with road regulations. Ergonomically, the seat height is relatively tall, in line with other dual-sport motorcycles, which provides better ground clearance for off-road riding, but may challenge shorter riders. The handlebar position is upright and wide, giving excellent control and visibility. The instrument panel is basic yet functional, typically including a speedometer, odometer, and essential indicator lights. Nothing excessive, but everything necessary for its purpose. Performance. At the heart of the KMX125 is its liquid-cooled, single-cylinder, two-stroke engine which produces lively power for its size. The throttle response is crisp, allowing for quick acceleration, especially in the mid-range. While it doesn't have the outright top speed of larger bikes, its lightweight frame and engine character make it feel energetic and engaging, particularly for newer riders or those looking for a nimble trail companion. The power delivery is smooth yet punchy, which is typical of a well-tuned two-stroke, making it enjoyable for short bursts on dirt tracks or winding back roads. Handling is one of the KMX125's strongest points. With a compact chassis and relatively low weight, it feels agile and easy to maneuver in tight spaces. The suspension setup, telescopic forks at the front, and a monoshock at the rear provides a comfortable ride over mixed terrain while still offering enough stiffness for spirited riding. Off-road, the bike feels stable and capable, handling light to moderate trails with confidence. On tarmac, it remains composed, though it's not designed for aggressive high-speed cornering. Braking performance is adequate for its size and weight, with a front disc brake and rear drum brake. The stopping power is responsive, though not overly sharp, ideal for beginner-friendly control. Riders will appreciate how predictable and manageable the braking system feels in both urban and off-road conditions. Strengths. One of the biggest advantages of the KMX125 is its versatility. Designed as a dual sport bike, it can handle paved roads, as well as light to moderate off-road trails. Its relatively lightweight frame, combined with a responsive 2-stroke 124cc engine, makes it agile and easy to maneuver, especially for beginners or riders seeking a nimble bike. The engine delivers a punchy acceleration thanks to Kawasaki's KIPS, or Kawasaki Integrated Power Valve System, which improves power delivery across the rev range. This makes the KMX125 surprisingly lively for a small capacity motorcycle, whether you are riding in the city or tackling dirt paths. Another advantage is its durability and simplicity. The 2-stroke engine is relatively easy to maintain, and spare parts for the KMX125 are still widely available in many markets due to its popularity during its production years. Fuel efficiency is decent for a 2-stroke, and the upright riding position provides comfort for longer commutes. Its styling with rugged lines, motocross-inspired design, and high ground clearance also adds to its appeal for riders who want a tough-looking bike without going into full dirt bike territory.